walk over here and check out the damage. And there's his pumpkin. And here's the one I shot.
These are pumpkins getting destroyed.
They are getting destroyed. That's okay though.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Go.
I'm ready. Back again, AR-15, shooting at pop cans. Let's see how it works. Let's see how we did. The first one got one. Has not been touched. Go do that again. Second one. First hit. So, a little bit. Got to finish one off though. Let's go. See if we get the second one. And the third one. Not bad, not bad. Second one might be tricky.
Excuse you.
I don't think I hit it. Remember, earbuds at all times. The fourth one, direct hit. Entrance, exit. Check out this one. Nothing. Let's try it this way now. My first shot, I'm gonna try to get it. First shot. Let's see if I can do it. Safety's off. I think that's the right hit. Check it out. Told you. First shot. A lot of walking. I hit it. Nothing. Wow. One more try. Whew. Gun collection might be coming soon. We'll see. Safety's off. I think I got it that time. Last look. Let's see if I got it. No, I did not. Well, good thing for the pumpkins. Dinner's about to be good tonight. I can't hit this for nothing. That's crazy.